I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your TD app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the TD app. Launch the TD app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts section and select the account from which the withdrawal was made. Look for the Transactions option. Step 3. Find the withdrawal. Scroll through your transaction history to locate the specific withdrawal you wish to dispute. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate dispute. Look for an option that says Dispute Transaction or Report Issue. Follow the prompts to provide details about your dispute. Note: make sure to have any relevant information handy, like transaction dates or amounts. Step 5. Submit and follow up. After filling out the necessary information, submit your dispute. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates regarding your case. Disputing a withdrawal can feel daunting, but following these steps should help you resolve the issue smoothly. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if you need further assistance.